Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my subscribers, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how I whipped up this delicious Chicago style deep dish pizza. So if you like this type of video, keep watching. I'll start by making the crust by combining the following ingredients. Using a stand mixer equipped with a dough hook, I'll add water and melted butter and mix until a soft dough is formed for about 5 minutes. Now, pizza is deeply rooted in the American culture, but according to research, Chicago's version took the concept in a much more indulgent direction. I'll now turn the dough onto a silk mat, or you can use a floured surface and form into a ball. I'll then place the dough in a bowl oiled with olive oil, cover and let rise in a warm place for about an hour or until it's doubled in size. I'll be doing a deluxe deep dish pizza, so I'll chop the following vegetables for sauteing. Using about 2 tablespoons of butter, I'll saute the onions, peppers, and mushrooms until tender. A deep dish pizza has a thick crust with inverted layers of cheese, meat, vegetables, and sauce. Next, I'll cook the sausage until brown, season with salt, then drain the excess oil. Time to punch down the dough and roll into a 13 to 15 inch circle. I'll grease my cast iron pan with olive oil, then transfer the dough, making sure that the sides of the pan are covered with the dough. I'll also brush the edges of the dough with a little bit of olive oil. I'll layer the crust with mozzarella cheese, the vegetable mixture, a triple cheese blend, sausage, pizza sauce, and then repeat the layers as necessary. Are you a fan of deep dish pizza? Let me know why or why not below. Click the link above for the recipe to this delicious pizza sauce. Bake in a preheated 400-degree oven for 20 to 30 minutes or until the crust is brown. I'll let cool for 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. A deep dish pizza has a thick crust with inverted layers of cheese, meat, vegetables, and sauce. As always, thanks for the support. Continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Wednesday and Friday when I post. Bye guys!